In this class, we will talk about Microsoft Excel. It is a spreadsheet editor produced by Microsoft for computers running the Microsoft Windows operating system, as well as Macintosh computers from Apple Incorporated and mobile devices such as Windows Phone, Android, or iOS. Its features include an intuitive interface and powerful calculation and table building tools that, along with aggressive marketing, have made Excel one of the most popular computer applications today. Since its creation, several icons have been used to represent this spreadsheet program. This program has amazing features and fascinating graphic interface for creating and manipulating spreadsheets. Excel allows you to build tables, functions, and graphs in a productive and dynamic way, saving time and simplifying script work in a very organized and efficient manner. Excel has more graphical features, and it's equipped with a new tab layout that divides tasks into sections regarding the theme of each command group, such as Start, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and Display. Electronic spreadsheet is a type of software that uses tables to perform calculations or present data. Each table is a grid consisting of rows and columns. The electronic name is derived from its implementation through computer programs. Excel allows you to create tables that automatically calculate the total amount of numeric values entered, print tables in attractive layouts, and create simple graphs. It is part of Office, a package of applications that combine various types of software to create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and to manage email. 3 reasons to learn Excel once and for all. More convenience for everyday control. Regarding your personal life, Excel can save you in situations such as organizing the entire household budget, recording daily expenses, managing incoming bills, monitoring credit card installments and debts, investments and income, and estimate costs for achieving goals and dreams. And the software can do all of this very quickly, which makes all the difference in a world that asks for fast answers and results. At work, ensure essential and accurate controls in any field of expertise: billing, manufacturing, sales or services, inventory providers, customers, employees and payroll, goals and projections, and many other aspects. Professionals in different positions, of any area of expertise, can benefit from Office and Excel features. Manageable resources from any department, whether material or not, Excel is a great ally. You can apply the program to build controls, write reports, design graphs, tables, lists, schedules. With proper knowledge, there are endless possibilities for using Excel. It's important to point out that Excel can work with its own data or from external systems of companies, such as Oracle, SQL Server, and SAP. Just export the database into Excel. These many features makes Excel one of the most used software by entrepreneurs and corporations worldwide.